Hi and welcome to the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in mobile gaming tech. Today, we're diving into something a little different but super useful. Maybe you're already familiar with the app Google Opinion Rewards, but if not, you should know that by completing some simple surveys, you can get games for free. I actually got the fantastic game Gris, which costs €5.99 on the Play Store, for free just by completing some surveys. Intrigued? Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about Google Opinion Rewards. It's a free app available on both Android and iOS where you can earn Google Play credits by completing short surveys. These surveys are super quick, usually taking less than a minute. Once you download the app and set it up, you'll start receiving notifications to take surveys. These can range from product reviews to your opinion on recent shopping experiences. Each survey gives you a small amount of credit, usually between 10 cents to $1. You can see that in about a year I managed to get almost €8. It might not sound like much, but depending on where you live, you might get surveys more often. To maximize your earnings, make sure your location services are on and you're honest in your responses. Google uses your data to provide more relevant surveys, so the more accurate you are, the more surveys you'll likely receive. And if you're using an iPhone, the credit is paid to your PayPal account. After a few months, I had accumulated enough credits to buy one of my favorite games, Gris, without spending a single penny out of pocket. And there it is. A beautiful and emotional game that I got entirely for free thanks to Google Opinion Rewards. It's a fantastic way to make the most out of those idle moments and save some cash on premium games and apps. So, if you haven't already, give Google Opinion Rewards a try and start saving up for your favorite games. Have you used Google Opinion Rewards before? What did you get with your credits? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Until next time, happy gaming.